Here's the method I found as the quickest and easiest way to clean your percolator. If you have hard water, you may want to run half vinegar, half water through it first. I don't, and so I don't do that. This method has gotten everything off every time I've ever tried it. And simple, easy. Most people have dishwashing powder. You just pour it in there, fill up the pot all the way. Then you just reassemble everything and turn it on. Okay, it's all done. Let's clean it up. Careful, it may be a bit hot. Okay, I'm just rinsing it out really good. If it looks good to you, you can stop right there. You don't have to keep going. I decide I'm gonna scrub it just a little bit, get some of the tougher stains out, and that's it. Yeah. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next little project.